Hi guys, Discord for PC is a cool application, but sometimes it uses a lot of memory and slows down your PC. Let me show you how to reduce Discord RAM usage. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go! So let's open the Discord application and click on the gear icon at the bottom left to bring up the settings menu. Now scroll down on the left pane to the apps settings and click on accessibility. Scroll down a little bit more and find profile colors, disable sync profile themes, disable sync contrast settings, scroll down and disable animated emoji if you don't like them, and also you can disable automatically play GIFs when Discord is focused. Scroll down to stickers and instead of always animate, switch to never animate or on interaction. Next, switch to voice and video on the left pane and scroll down to advanced section. Here make sure you enable video codec and hardware acceleration. This allows Discord to use your graphic card to process video instead of RAM. Also scroll down to voice processing and disable echo cancellation, disable noise suppression and disable advanced voice activity, but keep in mind this may reduce the quality of your voice on streaming and chatting with friends. And let's disable one more feature. Now come back to app settings and find advanced and enable developer mode. Next, go to activity settings, find game overlay and disable in-game overlay. Now select the reason, let it be other, submit. And guys, these simple steps can help you to reduce Discord memory usage. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.